Hello everyone. Today we'll talk about index number. How to calculate index number in a spreadsheet. We will explain with the help of an example. In this example, we have 10 items and their corresponding prices of 2021 and 2023 given to us, and their corresponding quantity consumed of 2021 and 2023 also given to us. To calculate index number using Laspier's method, Pastier's method, and Fisher price index, we have these formulas. But before calculating this, we have to just calculate summation of P naught Q naught, summation of P1 Q1, summation of P naught Q1, and summation of P1 Q naught. To calculate summation of P naught Q naught, we use function sum product and simply multiply the range of P naught by the range of Q naught and enter. Similarly, to calculate summation of P1 Q1, we use the same function sum product range of P1 multiplied by the range of Q1. Using same function, we will calculate summation of P naught Q1 and summation of P1 Q naught. Now, Lesch's method, we know that the formula is summation of P1 Q naught divided by summation of P naught Q naught multiplied by 100. So we use equal summation of P1 Q naught divided by summation of P naught Q naught, and this whole multiplied by 100. Answer is 129.75. On the same basis, when we calculate price index using Parshas method, the formula is summation of P1Q1. Summation of P1Q1 is this divided by summation of P0Q1 multiplied by 100. The answer is 126.74. When we use Fisher price index, the formula is the square root of answer we got using Lashp's method and Parshas method. So we use here equal square root function. The answer received using Lashp's method multiplied by Parshas method. The answer is 128.24. Hope it is helpful. Thank you.